All right, guys, we are now opening a third round for the BitNest play. So you can get Bitcoin at no risk. So should BitNest go belly up, you don't have to worry about incurring any losses because the DCS Bitcoin wallets will take care of that for you and cover whatever losses that you would have had you invested directly in BitNest. So I was not going to do a round three because in the second round we had, while it did fill up fairly quickly, by the 12th of the month, we had four slots that had not filled in. So I went ahead and bought in on those slots, but that kind of let me know, hey, there might not be enough interest to warrant my time in creating new rounds, right? I'll just continue to play the rounds out for the existing rounds. However, I have gotten a little bit of feedback of people that were not aware of this play, and because of that, I am going to create a third round for the month of August. However, guys, in this one, I want to fill up all of the slots by the 31st. So the existing round two ends on August the 1st. Okay. So once this ends, it should be receiving a payout of 37% or $2,200. That will be split between round one and round two. So $1,100 will go towards filling in payments to these, and $1,100 will go to filling in payments for the top however many in round two. All right, so if you want to participate in round three, there is a link to the forum, which I will leave in the description, and this is given a description of what's required to enter. Okay, and what we're going to do if, of course, if BitNest goes belly up, all of this stuff is going to be canceled. Any payments you send to this wallet will be returned to you. Also, if all of these slots are not filled by the 31st, then I'm not going to do a round three. I'm just going to return everyone's Bitcoin to the wallet that they sent it from. Okay, so that's how we're going to play round three. And it doesn't necessarily have to be 100% of the slots because I'll probably slip in if I see some empty slots. Um, I'll probably slip in and take some of those positions as well. But I'm not going to do that until the 31st to give you guys an opportunity to participate if you want to. All right, so with this, again, I'll leave a link in the description, but key points to list here, like previous rounds, do a transfer of 0.001 Bitcoin for each entry. And this is, I really want to stick to that exact number, guys, because we did good in round two, but in that first round, we did have a few people that sent in payments slightly lower, some slightly above. And for the sake of simplicity and paying out each round, I'd like to keep that at a 0.001 per entry. There will be a limit of 28 entries. Anything that is sent after that or beyond that will be returned to your wallet. And again, if BitNest continues to perform, proceeds from the earnings we get from uh, BitNest, I'll be using Squid Wallet to convert those into Bitcoin and then be issuing Bitcoin to the rounds that are due. Um, talks about if BitNest rugs, what'll happen? You'll get credits, um, and everyone will get credits. Those credits will start converting, so you will not walk away with any losses should BitNest rug or explode or implode, right? Um, again, all wallets need to be filled up by the 31st. So you have 7 days, 7 or 8 days. Today is the 23rd. You have 7 or 8 days to get that done. If you want to participate, send 0.001 Bitcoin to this address, like I say here. If you want to do multiple entries, you can do so. I'm not even going to limit or restrict however many you get. Get however many you want, and first come, first serve. Once it's filled up, that's going to lock it up and end those slots. Okay. Let's see here. This round will accept the maximum. Okay, that's 28. Returns for this round will start at 5%. So this is going to be like the previous round, guys, where in round two, the first 8 entries will be at a 5% position. The next 8 will be at a 10%, the next 15%, and the last 20%. And of course, this is because these are going to pay out earlier. All right, the ones that are going to pay out later are going to receive a higher percentage. Um, and what else do we have here? Um, you can select available slots. So this came out in the previous round where someone was asking, can they select slots? Yes, you can select slots. So if you want a 15% position or a specific slot here, when you reply to the post with your wallet ID and Bitcoin address, simply specify which range, whether in the percentage range or a specific slot, and we'll update that accordingly. And with previous rounds, you can always click on this spreadsheet. If you click this link here, it will take you to round 3, and you can check the listing here. And again, if all of these slots are not filled by the 31st, I will be returning your Bitcoin to your wallet. All right, guys, just wanted to update you on that. And if you got any questions, comments, whatever the case is, leave them in the forum post, which I will be providing a link to in the description. Yo, guys, before completely ending this video, I do have a question. Has anyone mentioned Mystify in the Telegram chat for Titan X? Because Titan X has been plummeting since I released that video about it. But kudos to you guys for actually waking up, doing your research, finding out what's going on, and seeing this trend. And many of you with your DGN mindsets are probably heading right on over to BitNest, trying it out and everything else like that. But even in that, guys, understand that it is a high risk. Understand that it is in your best interest to self-refer. Don't go running around trying to sign up under somebody else. Self-refer. And also be sure to use that spreadsheet that you can use to help optimize your returns based on how many self-referral levels that you use. And of course, that is the high risk play. If you want a lower risk, be sure to get out there, grab you a DCS Bitcoin wallet, use it just to earn Bitcoin, or if you want to play in a safer realm of investing in BitNest, you won't get as high returns, but it is a much safer play. Check out round 3. All right, guys, that's all I got for you, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.